Could the way you sit affect your mental health? Is there a connection between your physical posture and your psychological state? Fascinatingly, research suggests that the answer to these questions is a resounding yes. According to a study published in the Journal of Behavior Therapy and Experimental Psychiatry, simply sitting up straight can reduce symptoms of depression. Now, isn't that intriguing? It's fascinating how our mental and physical health are so intricately linked, isn't it? But this isn't just about posture. There are several aspects of our daily lives that can impact our mental health, often in ways we don't even realize. Take guilt, for instance. We often think of guilt as a negative emotion, something to avoid, but guilt also has a crucial role in our social fabric. Feeling remorseful about a wrongdoing usually prevents a person from committing that offense again. It's a check and balance system, if you will, that helps maintain societal norms and ethical conduct. But like everything, an excess of guilt can also lead to mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. And then there's the role of physical activity, or the lack thereof, in our mental health. We all know a sedentary lifestyle is bad for our waistline and our heart. But did you know it can also affect your mental health? Exercise is often referred to as nature's mood enhancer by Psych Central. Regular physical activity releases endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones, which help combat stress and promote a sense of well-being. Finally, we come to the concept of a failure mindset. Everyone has negative thoughts now and then, and occasional feelings of failure usually pose no significant mental health problem. However, frequently nurturing these negative thoughts can create a failure mindset, which can interfere with your ability to succeed. This mindset can lead to a constant fear of failure, which in turn can affect your mental health. So to summarize, our mental health can be affected by various everyday factors such as our posture, our feelings of guilt, the amount of physical activity we engage in, and our mindset towards failure. Understanding these links can help us make small but impactful changes in our daily lives. Sitting up straight, managing guilt effectively, incorporating regular exercise into our routines, and fostering a positive mindset can all contribute to better mental health. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health. They are two sides of the same coin. And just like we take care of our physical health, we should also make it a priority to take care of our mental health. After all, a healthy mind leads to a healthier life.